I'm going to show you how to put a week's worth of clothing in one carry-on bag.
I'm going to pack 5 pairs of pants, 8 shirts, 1 dress, 2 pairs of shoes, 1 belt, cosmetics, undergarments, and socks, all in this carry-on bag. I will use a combination of 3 packing methods. Start with your pants and lay the waistline in first, and have the rest of the pant leg just hanging outside of the bag. And continue to do this with all of your pants, alternating them facing in and out, and then on the opposite side of the suitcase, so they're hanging out on the opposite side too. If you have any delicate shirts or dresses, you'll put them in now because you can lie them flat on the surface you've created from your pants. Next, we'll use the rolling technique to put in t-shirts, pajamas, and dresses if they are not too delicate. And here I put one on the side by just pushing the others over. Now you'll take your pant legs and flip them back over the top. And if you're a little taller, you might need to tuck the ends in. What's great about this method is you've now used all that extra space on the edges that often goes unused. It also prevents creases in your pants. Next, we'll put a belt in, and you just kind of tuck it around the very edges of the suitcase, because if you coil a belt up, it just takes up extra space. And last, on this side, I'll put in a light jacket or sweater that I might want to retrieve quickly. The first side of the suitcase is done. For the second side of the bag, start with your cosmetics. Now there's all different kinds of cosmetic bags, but I find just a simple rectangular one is the best for getting the most in. And then you go with your shoes. Shoes are always a problem because they take up so much space. Put your socks inside your shoes, place one up and one down, and then lay them on their sides. Here's another pair of sandals. Same technique, one up, one down, and laying it on its side. You might want to put them in a plastic bag if they any dirt on them. And then I have a hairbrush. Next, I'll put my lingerie in, and I put this in a packing cube to separate it from the other items, and just kind of squish it on top. And then any extra socks you have, just place them around in any little spaces that you have left. So I'm done, but there's still a little bit of extra space in there if you have any other incidentals that you want to try to squeeze in. Just around the edges, there's often little pockets that you can put some other things in. Second side is done, and bag is ready to go. Check out my Packing Part 2 video for more packing ideas.